Recording is on, buddy. So if you are going to add the two vectors, suppose this is the A vector and suppose this is the B vector. If you are going to add these two vectors, just shift the vectors. Just shift the vectors. So you can just shift the vectors like this. This is the B vector, and करना क्या था कि फर्स्ट वेक्टर का टेल और लास्ट वेक्टर के हेड को ज्वाइन करना था. That will be the A plus B vector, and that we call it as resultant vector, or you can name it as any other vector. Okay, resultant means addition of the vectors. Resultant vectors means addition of the vectors. Understood? So A plus B is this. Any doubt here? This is the resultant vector. We have already discussed this. So this is the rule. Parallel shifting of the vectors. I am just shifted the B vector parallelly. So I just join the head of the A vector and the tail of the B vector and the resultant vector by the tail, from the tail of the A vector to the head of the B vector. So the vector we obtained is the resultant vector. Understood? Any doubt here? अरे नहीं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं. अबे रुक जाओ, अभी डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं. अभी वेट. Displacement nahi. That can be a velocity vector, that can be acceleration vector, that can be any other vector. So have patience. It may be a displacement vector, it may be a displacement vector, but it may be a velocity vector, it may be an acceleration vector, it may be a force vector, it may be a different types of vector. Yes, इसमें क्या डाउट हो गया कबीर? यस, कबीर सिंह.
सर मुझे इसमें डाउट नहीं है सर, मुझे पिछली वाली क्लास का एक क्वेश्चन था सर,
क्या?
स्पीड और डिस्टेंस स्केलर क्वांटिटी कैसे होते हैं? बिकॉज स्पीड
स्पीड
हम
इज
लोग 5 मीटर पर सेकंड इन द नॉर्थ हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, तो फिर वो
no,
वेक्टर
that
हो
is
गया
a
ना.
velocity, that is a velocity, that is a velocity. The magnitude of the velocity at that point of time is the speed.
सर फिर डिस्टेंस डिस्टेंस
Distance is
was 5
total.
kilometer to the north.
No, 5, that is a displacement, because you're just joining the 2 points actually.
Okay, thank you sir.
If you're saying 5 kilometer north, मतलब क्या कि तुम straight line से join कर दिया ना, चाहिए north के direction में. That मतलब क्या कि you are just fixing the direction. So when you fix the direction, that is the displacement. Okay,
Okay,
that is
thank you
not,
sir.
that may be a distance. Magnitude of that displacement may be a distance. Yes, Vedin.
Thank you sir.
Okay. Yes, Vedin.
Yeah, sir. So last time you had said pressure is a scalar quantity, but both force and area are vectors. How can pressure be scalar?
No, pressure is a scalar quantity because वहाँ पे force तो लेते हैं अपन, लेकिन वो force जो होता है वो that is a perpendicular to the area. That is perpendicular to the area, not the force. The force has the component of the force perpendicular to the area by area. So that is not actually a vector quantity.
Yeah, sir, but direction matters in pressure, no?
Pressure is always perpendicular to the surface. Pressure at a point may be in any direction. Pressure at a point may be in any direction. Suppose this is a point, pressure may act at this point in any direction. Okay, and have the same magnitude. So pressure has no any direction, no fixed direction. That's why
So
pressure is a
even the
scalar.
force and area are vector.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
area is a vector quantity. But in your book, in your standard, area will be called as a scalar quantity. Okay, but actually area is a vector quantity. Okay.
सर अगर हम
Okay, so now examples पे आते हैं. Okay ना? So now I'm going to discuss the examples. Why are you just caring about the exams? Why you guys just caring about the exams only? मतलब एग्जाम में आएगा तो पढ़ना है, एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा तो नहीं पढ़ना है, ये क्या मतलब होता है? नहीं, यस, एरिया इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, मैं वहां पे एम्बिगुअस नहीं रखूंगा, ठीक है ना? एरिया इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। एग्जाम के बारे में मत सोचो यार, जस्ट गो थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट ओनली। ठीक है ना? क्योंकि वेक्टर वेक्टर इज अ सच टाइप ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स जो आपको बाद में आके बहुत पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये चीज है, यू विल फील ओके। मैं आऊंगा कि हाउ रेन ड्रॉप्स comes at a some angle when you are just moving, and when you stop, raindrops appears to fall vertically. So I will give you that example. If your concept is clear, exam will be good. If you have confusion, तो एग्जाम में वैसे ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जो आपको कंफ्यूजिंग हो। Just clear your concept only. Okay, so now giving you examples. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Suppose I am giving you two vectors. I am giving you two vectors. Suppose this is a vector, this is a vector, and this is a b vector. B vector. So just both vectors are in the same direction. Just add it. So I'm just going to add the two vectors. So this is a vector and head to tail combination of the vector. So tail यहाँ रखेंगे, and then I will draw the b vector. Understood? So resultant vector will be what? So I will join the tail of the first vector and head of the last vector. So this will be actually what? A plus b vector, that will be r vector. Understood? Kabir, please focus. I'm actually discussing. Please focus. So you can write a plus b vector as r vector. क्या r में क्या लिखा तुमने? What was the story? रकम में r में जगह rb. Yes, you can. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. You can. So this is a plus b. So this is actually a resultant vector. Suppose I am saying, suppose the length of the a vector is 5 centimeter and length of the b vector is 3 centimeter. So what will be the length of r vector? So what will be the length of r vector? Tell me, what will be the length of r vector? Everyone. What will be the length of r vector? So length of the r vector here, length of the r vector length of r vector will be length of r vector will be 8 centimeter. Understood? Now again giving you one more example. Suppose a vector is like this And again, length of the A vector is, again, length of the A vector is, I'm saying length of the A vector is 5 centimeter. Okay. I'm drawing the B vector like this. This is B vector. Suppose थोड़ा छोटा कर देता हूँ इसे. Okay. This is a B vector. And length of the B vector is actually, suppose 3 centimeter. Now, add these two vectors. So A vector is like this, A vector is like this, and you are adding head to tail combination, head to tail combination. So you are adding head to tail combination. So this is the head to tail combination. So I just put the tail of the B vector on the head of the B vector. So resultant vector will be first vector tail and last vector tail. So this is the resultant vector, and this will be A vector plus B vector. So A vector. So what will be the length of the R vector? So what will be the length of R vector? Length of R vector will be 2 centimeter. Can you see? Yes, Dian.
Sir, in the first example, first and second example, the units are same, so it can be scalar quantity also.
Where?
5 centimeter plus 3
This is,
centimeter.
that is the length of the vector, na? The
Okay.
length of the vector is the magnitude of that vector, na?
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Any doubt? Okay, Arman. Yes, Aditya Kulkarni.
Sir, B vector will be a negative vector, no?
Yes, B vector will be just opposite to the A vector.
Okay.
Yes, Priyan.
सर आर इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी होना चाहिए ना
ये कहाँ मैंने बोला है?
सर बिकॉज 5 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है वेक्टर का.
सो 5 प्लस 3 तो 8 हो जाएगा
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है वेक्टर का कि वेक्टर जो है a प्लस बी होने के बाद भी वो 2 सेंटीमीटर हो गया, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है. b का डायरेक्शन जो है
अच्छा
वो
सेम डायरेक्शन में होता है मतलब
Same
ऑपोजिट
direction
डायरेक्शन में होते हैं तो माइनस होता है और सेम डायरेक्शन में प्लस
वो अपने आप आपको जैसे है ना वैसे ड्रॉ कर लो. ठीक है, जो आएगा दैट विल बी द रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर. ओके,
ओके सर
वो वेक्टर समझ लेगा. आपको क्या करना है, सही प्रोसेस अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है ना?
यस सर
एनी डाउट? और किसी का डाउट है? नहीं. सो यहाँ पे समझ में आया कि टू वेक्टर्स. अब यहाँ पे देखो, the vectors which has the same direction, the two vectors, please don't write anything. Okay, don't write anything. Two vectors or more than two vectors which has same direction, direction is called like vectors. I told only same direction. मैंने magnitude equal की बात नहीं की है. You can see magnitude of A vector and B vector are different, but the direction is same. So if the direction of the two vectors is same, then you can say these two vectors are like vectors. Okay, here two vectors which is opposite, two vectors which are opposite in direction. Funny me. Opposite in direction, which are opposite in direction is the unlike vector. Unlike vectors. Understood? So you can see, if you add two like vectors, the length of the resultant vector is greater. If you add two unlike vectors, then length of the resultant vector will be shorter. Okay. Okay, Nachiket, what is the doubt? Nachiket, can you hear me? Nachiket, Nachiket, any doubt? Okay. Yes, Swam.
Sir, it was an accident.
Okay. Yes, Kabir.
Sir, if vector A is horizontal and vector B is vertical, then
Then, as usual, you can add. I already gave you the rules to how to add the two vectors.
5 plus 3 will apply.
No, 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 no. Am I not audible? How can it be possible? I'm audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Tanvi, what is the doubt?
Sir, can the vectors be negative?
Yeah, of course.
And so always the smaller value is negative because someone wrote that 5 it is equals to 5
No, no,
plus
no, no,
minus 3.
no, 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 no.
So how will we know that the
Wait. I will come to that point. Okay. So
okay,
wait
sir.
for 2-3 minutes. I will come to that point. Okay, Nachiket, I had already written it, and this is in the society. I have to write this again. It's up to you, Nachiket. If you want, you can. No. Suppose I am giving you now one more example. Suppose you are adding this two vector. This is the A vector and this is the B vector. Okay. The length of A vector is 5 centimeters. No, don't write 5. Let us take another. The length of the A vector is 4 centimeter and length of the B vector is 3 centimeter. Let us go. If you add these two vector, what will you get? So A vector is like this, and join the shift the B vector parallelly. So this is the B vector actually. So this is the A vector and this is actually a B vector. So that is the 4 centimeter, that is the 3 centimeter, and this will be actually the resultant vector. This will be actually a resultant vector. So now tell me, Pythagoras right angle triangle हो गया. So what will be the length of? So apply. Let us call this C vector. So C vector will be equal to what? A vector plus B vector. Okay. So length of C vector फाइंड करना है अपन को, ठीक है ना. सो एक्चुअली क्या है, एक ट्रायंगल बन जाएगा, ऐसा ट्रायंगल है, this is the triangle actually, this is the 4, this is the 3, so this will be root under 4 square plus 3, Pythagoras theorem. So c square, so length of the c vector will be actually 5 centimeter. Understood? 3 square plus 4 square will be root under 25 square. 25. Hmm. Hmm. Any doubt here? किसी को कोई डाउट है, पूछ सकता है. Yes, Arman.
Yes, sir. So I had a doubt related to this only. In which, for example, if A vector is horizontal and B vector is say about 30 degrees west of north, sorry, north of east.
नहीं, तब अभी नहीं, तभी अभी अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे अभी, क्योंकि उसमें cos थीटा sin थीटा आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना?
Okay.
तो अभी cos थीटा sin थीटा अभी नहीं जानते ना अपन,
हाँ.
तो इसीलिए अभी वो प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं करेंगे. अभी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनेगा या स्ट्रेट लाइन में होगा. ओके
Okay, sir.
ओके
Thank you.
ओके प्रीशा.
Sir, can you give an example where the answer comes as a negative vector?
Wait, आ रहा हूँ. Just giving you one. Okay. Within.
So in this, can we directly just show it's 5 centimeters, or do we need to show Pythagoras?
No, just draw roughly rough diagram actually. Okay.
Can we just
No
do
need.
vector r is equal to 5 centimeters? No
Yeah,
need to
yeah,
show
yeah.
in
No,
a square
no need
plus
to
b
just,
square.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you know, just write. Okay. Yes, Priyan.
Sir, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse.
Okay,
Tan theta
okay,
is equal to
okay,
sin upon hypotenuse. Sin upon cos.
okay. I
So,
got you. I got you. Okay. समझ गया मैं. So in 8th actually, sin theta and cos theta is not there. So
9th
if,
में.
yeah, if anyone has attended my IGSO lecture in Borivali, so I have completed the trigonometry part and also completed the vectors part. So those who have attended my lecture, they won't have any problem in the vectors. So in the regular class, जो भी मैं ले रहा हूँ, cos theta and sin theta is not there. Sin theta and cos theta is there in the IGSO lecture or NSCJS lecture, but not in a regular lecture. That's why I'm not coining the sin theta and cos theta part.
Sir,
Okay.
sin theta और cos theta use करके ये sums कैसे solve करते हैं?
नहीं, इसमें नहीं होगा, आ जाएगा. इसमें भी होगा, लेकिन अभी नहीं. वो IGSO में जो सर पढ़ा रहे हैं ना, उनसे पूछिएगा. अभी ये रेगुलर लेक्चर में sin theta cos theta नहीं लाएंगे अभी. ठीक
Okay,
है?
sir.
Okay. But yeah, this question can be solved by the Pythagoras theorem. But if suppose I'm just saying, suppose this is the vector and you are just adding these two vectors, so you will have to find this length of this vector. So how will you find? So you can only find this length of the vector by the sin theta and the cos theta part. So I'm not going to that cover that part because sin theta and cos theta is not in your syllabus actually. Okay, more examples. Suppose this is the A vector is 3 centimeter and B vector is 6 centimeter. Not equal to, just write B vector is 6 centimeter. So if you add this two vector, so if you add this two vector, what will you get? So this is actually A vector. Sorry, तो ज़्यादा बड़ा बना दिया मैंने. This is actually A vector. If you add the B vector, so this is the actually a B vector. Okay. So resultant vector will be like this. Resultant vector will be like this. So resultant vector is just opposite to the A vector. So this is actually, if you are just writing the length, so you cannot write the length in a negative form. So magnitude has only the value, no negative sign. So length of this R vector, which R vector is actually A plus B vector. Of course, you can write the direction of a resultant vector is just opposite to the A vector or in the direction of B vector. So direction of R vector, resultant vector will be in the direction of B vector, and resultant of A vector, so resultant of R, resultant of A plus B vector has the direction just opposite to the A vector. You can also say कि R vector का direction क्या है, A vector के opposite है, और R vector का direction क्या है, B vector के along है. But the magnitude of the R vector, that is the length of the R vector, will be what? 3 centimeter. So length will be 3 centimeter. समझ में आ रहा है ना 3 centimeter कैसे होगा? Good. 3 centimeter. And direction, if you want to write the direction will be just opposite to the A vector and or in the direction of B vector. Understood? Any doubt here? Now yes, Tanvi.
Sir, so the direction of the resultant vector will always be equal to the direction in which the greater value of vector is?
It depends. Suppose A and B vector has the same direction. Suppose no, that statement must be true for any vector. No? Suppose this is the A vector. Suppose this is the A vector and this is the B vector. So resultant vector neither will be in the direction of A vector or nor in the direction of B vector. So resultant vector may be in any direction. For like vector and unlike vector, you can say, but in general, a statement, that a statement is actually wrong. Okay, so a statement will be general. जनरल का मतलब होता है कि वो हर एक कंडीशन में ट्रू होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने बोल दिया और वो किसी के लिए ट्रू है और किसी के लिए गलत हो गया. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
अगर स्टेटमेंट बोल रहे हैं मतलब कि दैट मस्ट बी ट्रू फॉर एनी कंडीशन. ओके, okay, let's move. So like vector unlike vector समझ गए अपन. So like vector और unlike vector को एडिशन कैसे करते हैं? Now you know. नोट में लिखेंगे if you multiply vector with negative sign, if you multiply the vector with negative sign, then its direction gets reversed and magnitude remains the same. पहले ये नोट करो, उसके बाद इसको समझाते हैं. You can write, yes, रिवर्ट मतलब होता है उलट जाना या लौट जाना, ठीक है ना, उलट जाना या लौट जाना, मतलब gets revert, just oppose, या you can write reversed, gets reversed. Reversed. पहले लिख लो, उसके बाद एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. फर्स्ट राइट I'm not going to leave anything, so have patience. I will discuss everything. Okay. Okay, should I move ahead? Any doubt? Okay, so let's move. So mosquitoes are flying here and there. Okay. Suppose this is the A vector. Okay. Suppose this is the A vector. Okay. Now I just multiplied A with minus. So I'm just giving you draw minus A vector. I just give you draw minus A vector. So if suppose its length is 5 centimeters, so how will you draw the A vector minus A vector? So you just reverse the direction of A vector and length must be same. So that will be the 5 centimeter. Length will be same. Okay. But direction is just opposite to the A vector. So this is actually minus A vector. So this is minus a vector. So you can also write it as minus a vector is equal to b vector. You can write. It's up to you. Okay. नाम कुछ भी रख दिए. हाँ बोलो प्रियान.
उसका मतलब नॉर्थ साउथ बन जाता है और साउथ नॉर्थ आई मीन साउथ नॉर्थ बन जाता है, ईस्ट वेस्ट और वेस्ट ईस्ट बन जाता है.
और
बस साउथ ईस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट बन जाता है.
okay. अच्छा सन अर्थ हो जाएगा, अर्थ सन हो जाएगा. ओके ठीक है, गुड.
राइट है ना?
हाँ. Okay, so a vector just changes its direction and gets reverse its direction. So if suppose a vector points in the direction of east, so minus a will points in the direction of west. Okay, just opposite. But length must be same. Length को कुछ problem नहीं है, ठीक है ना? Length must be same. Now, example. Suppose I am just giving you a vector and this is b vector. Okay. I just told you length of a vector is 3 centimeter and b vector is suppose 4 centimeter. So I just told you find a minus b. A minus b. R will be a minus b. So how will you add these two vectors? Because subtraction is actually a addition. Wait. Subtraction is actually a addition. Subtraction is actually an addition. How? So you can also write it as a vector plus of minus b vector. You can write it. Can you write like this? Can you write like this? Yes or no? Good. Now, so I have to add a vector and minus b vector. So rule is same. Rule is same. तो अब रूल सेम है तो पहले मुझे माइनस बी वेक्टर चाहिए. अब माइनस बी वेक्टर को मुझे ऐड करना है. सो माइनस बी वेक्टर विल बी, अब माइनस बी वेक्टर कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? तो बी वेक्टर का जस्ट अपोजिट ड्रॉ कर लिए. लो ये दिस इज द माइनस बी वेक्टर. So minus b vector has the length of 4 centimeter and direction will be opposite. This is the minus b vector and I have to add a vector plus of minus b. So I am just going to add this vector and this vector. Addition rule is same. Addition rule कैसे है कि head का head को tail से join करना है. So I am just going to draw. This is a vector and b vector का. अब b vector कैसे draw करेंगे? So b vector will be minus b vector will be, इसका tail यहाँ पे लेके आए, उसको ऐड कर देते. That is a minus b vector. So minus b vector like this. This is a minus b vector क्योंकि a vector से बड़ा है, 4 centimeter है. This is a minus b vectors and this is actually a vector. So I am just actually adding two vectors. Which one? A vector and minus b vector. So you will get the resultant vector like this. So this is the resultant vector. So resultant vector is what? You are adding a vector plus of minus b vector. You are actually adding this. So what will be the length of b resultant vector? 1 centimeter. Why 1 centimeter? Because length of the a vector is actually 3 centimeter. Length of the b vector is actually 4 centimeter. So length of the r vector will be 1 centimeter from the diagram. Any doubt here now? कोई डाउट है पूछ लो. Yes, Tanvi.
Sir, in the thing which you have marked star, you have written that minus a vector is equals to the b vector. So
Yes,
can
you
you
can write. That is another example, because a vector, this is not a vector, this is minus a vector. Okay,
Yes.
this is not a vector, that minus a vector. If you change the direction of vector, vector gets changed. Okay, so minus a vector maybe b vector, you can just name it. ठीक है ना? अब कोई दूसरा आदमी है ना भाई, तुमने a को चेंज करके दूसरा बना दिया, तो अब उसका नाम भी दूसरा रखना होगा ना. That is minus a, you can write b vector. Okay. Okay, Tanvi.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And sir, if there are more than two vectors, then
More than, of course, you can add like that. Head to tail, head to tail, head to tail. Okay,
okay, sir.
that is the rule. हेड को टेल पे, हेड को फिर टेल पे, फिर लास्ट में क्या करना है, फर्स्ट वेक्टर का टेल, लास्ट वेक्टर का हेड को ज्वाइन कर देना. दैट इज द रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर. सिंपली. यस आदित्य.
Sir, what will be the final answer
That is 1 centimeter length of
in the direction of minus b vector or b vector?
minus b vector. No, you can see, no, you can see from the diagram, r is in the direction of minus b vector. So length of r vector will be 1 centimeter, and direction will be,
Of minus b vector.
and direction is along, minus b vector. Mute.
Okay, sir.
Understood, everyone? I don't want any confusion. Okay. प्रियान को क्या डाउट हो जाता है तुरंत में, पता नहीं. यस प्रियान.
सर -1 क्यों नहीं हो सकता? 1 ही होता है.
मैग्नीट्यूड 1 से हमेशा बताते हैं.
सर आपने बोला था कि वेक्टर्स माइनस में भी हो सकते हैं.
वेक्टर माइनस में हो सकता है, लेकिन मैग्नीट्यूड थोड़ी बोला था.
ओ
तो वेक्टर को माइनस में नहीं दिखाया क्या? माइनस भी वेक्टर लिखा ना क्या? मैग्नीट्यूड को लिखा क्या माइनस?
नो सर.
तो वेक्टर कैन बी नेगेटिव बट मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी पॉजिटिव ना.
Oh, thank you, sir. Got it.
Okay, so moving to the next example. This is a vector. Oh wait, yes. This is a vector, and this is b vector. Length of a vector is 4 centimeter. Length of b vector is suppose 3 centimeter. I just want you to find what will be the magnitude of a vector minus b vector. What will be the length of a vector minus b vector? बस सब गलत करना है, स्टार्ट कर दो तुरंत. अरे सोच तो लो पहले क्या बोल रहे हो. 1 सेंटीमीटर बोलना है, स्टार्ट कर देना है सबको. क्वेश्चन देखना नहीं है. Yes, 7 centimeter. So now first I told you just draw, because b vector is given, not minus b vector is given, so you will have to draw the minus b vector. So this is the minus b vector, this will be the minus b vector. Okay, so you will have to add the a vector plus of minus b vector. So you have to add a vector and minus b vector. So a vector is like this, and minus b vector कैसा है भाई? तो हेड पे रखे उसके टेल को. This is the minus b vector, this is the a vector. So you are actually adding a vector minus. So resultant will be first का head, first का tail और last का head. So just join. So this is actually r vector. You are actually adding a vector plus of minus b vector. So you are actually getting a vector minus b vector. So length of the a vector will be, length of r vector will be 7 centimeter, and direction is along a vector और minus b vector, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में along, ठीक है? Any doubt here? कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो. अगर दूसरा वेक्टर अगर माइनस में है तो उसे प्लस करना पड़ता है. नहीं, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, आपको क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग देखना है, ठीक है नचिकेत? I'm just teaching the vector in layman language. Okay. क्योंकि you are just new to the vector. Now example. Okay. कौन बोल रहा है क्या? What sir? What all will be covered today? Vector is actually over now. Okay. I'm just assigning you one assignment कि आपको साइंटिफिक नोटेशन कैसे लिखते हैं ना, जैसे 1 न्यूटन, यूनिट्स को कैसे लिखते हैं 1 न्यूटन. यू कैन नॉट राइट न्यूटन विथ कैपिटल एंड यू कैन नॉट राइट न्यूटन विथ न्यूटन्स. So I will give you one assignment actually. That is actually theoretical. You will have to just remember that all that things. There is no concept there. Okay, example. Suppose I am giving you one more. This is the one example. This is a vector. Okay, and giving you this is a b vector. Okay, so now draw a plus b vector. First में draw a plus b, second में b plus a, third में a minus b, fourth a था b से c, d में just draw b minus a. Draw all this vector. A vector and b vector is given, so you need to draw a plus b, b plus a minus b, and b minus a. Just draw. Actually vector is over now. For class 8. No need to show the length of the vector. I just told you just draw the rough diagram and send it on your respective group, respective doubt group, and send your answer in one pic, all 4 diagrams in one pic. Okay, all 4 diagrams in one pic, and also mention your name. I don't want multiple pics. Okay, only draw all 4 diagrams and click a pic and send it to the doubt group. I will see. If you have done with the question, just send it to me. Just send it to me. Just click a pic and send it to the respective doubt group. Kabir, please send it to the group. I will check. Yes, Kabir. Yes, Kabir. Kabir, you are
Sir.
not.
Yeah, sir. Now I'm audible.
Yeah.
Can you add me to the doubt group?
डाउट ग्रुप में नहीं हो गया तुम?
नहीं सर, मैं सिर्फ IGS और RMM में और फेस फाउंडेशन.
तो 8 जून के उस ग्रुप में हो ना?
हाँ सर.
डाउट ग्रुप में नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, 8 जून बैच में हूँ मैं, लेकिन डाउट ग्रुप में नहीं हूँ.
Just send a message. Just send a message. Add
ओके सर.
add me in the doubt group.
ओके सर, आई
वो
विल.
वो क्योंकि आई एम नॉट द एडमिन एक्चुअली.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
ये कौन भेजा है अभी? ये क्या कर दिए a माइनस बी और b माइनस ए? यार ये क्या कर दिए? गलत है. बलजीत कौर. Who is Baljit Kaur? Because on the WhatsApp is showing that name only. Yes, a plus b is correct. B plus a is correct. Dian. Yes, a minus b or a minus b is correct. And b minus a. Yes, b minus a is also correct. Correct. Dian, you are correct. Yes, Dian.
सर पेस के दो जो दो 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 बैचेस है उसके दोनों मतलब उसका सिर्फ एक ही कॉमन डाउट ग्रुप है ना?
हाँ. ये कौन
हाँ,
है? Who is Ali? Who is Ali? एडिशन रूल अभी भी आप नहीं सीखे हैं कि एडिशन इज डन by joining the head and tail of the vector. Head and tail of the vector. So please join head and the tail of the vector. Arman, wrong. So, Sakshi is somewhat wrong. Kirti, no, 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 no. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Shwangi, oh sorry, Tanvi, jo bhi Tanvi. Tanvi, wrong, wrong, wrong. I think wrong. A plus B is correct. No, Tanvi, wrong. Shubhangi, uh, yes, I think you are correct. I think yes, B plus A is correct. A plus B is also correct. Good. A minus B, yes, A minus B is also correct, and B minus A is also correct. Correct. Who is this? Shubhangi Kulkarni. Who is Shubhangi? Yeah, okay, Aditya Kulkarni. Please write your name. मैं जो देखूंगा व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं मैं वही बोलूंगा ना. Okay, Adhiraj. Adhiraj. You're not, Adhiraj, you are not mentioning the vector properly. Please, Adhiraj. Nachiket, you are actually adding the vector. Okay, good. But where is your resultant vector? Where is your resultant vector? Nachiket, where is your resultant vector? Yes, you are adding vector correctly, but where is the resultant vector? Everyone is showing only the vectors. No. Who is? Saloni? Saloni, no, sorry, Bhavesh. Bhavesh, wrong. A plus, no, B, no, 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 no. Prisha, no. Ronit, yes, you are adding vector correctly, but where is the resultant vector, Ronit? Amritesh. Amritesh, no? Yes, Amritesh. A plus B vector is correct. B plus A vector is correct. A minus B vector is correct. And D minus A vector is also correct. But in fourth, you haven't mentioned the minus A vector. No, Ritvik, incorrect. Yes, Kavir, correct. Kavir, correct. Okay, now I'm going to draw. Look, Yes, Kabir, correct. Prakamya, मैंने बोला होगा ना प्रकम्या। वेस प्रीशा, बलजीत, जो बलजीत पता नहीं किनका है। वेर बलजीत फॉर रॉन्ग, दैट इज अली रॉन्ग, अरमान गुप्ता रॉन्ग, साक्षी रॉन्ग, कीर्ति आई थिंक, तन्वी minus a and b vector. You are correct, but somewhat wrong. Nachike, Adhiraj, sorry, Aditya Kulkarni, correct. Nachiket, correct, but you haven't drawn the vectors. Bhavesh, you are correct actually, but where is your direction? Okay, I'm just drawing the vector. Okay, so let's correct yourself. A plus b vector. A plus b. I'm just drawing first. A plus b. Just okay. No, don't write. Just focus here. A vector is like this and B vector is like that. So actually simply you can, oh wait, you can add A vector and B vector. This is the B vector and vector and the resultant will be like, so resultant will be, so this is actually A plus B vector. Okay. Now second, you are adding B plus A. So actually first you are adding B and then A. So B vector is like this and just putting the tail of the A vector on the B vector. So A vector is like this. So A vector is like this and this is the actually B vector. So you are adding actually B plus A. So first vector's tail and last vector's head. I am joining first vector's head and last vector's tail. So this is actually B plus A. Second is done. Third, I need A minus B. So A minus B can be written as A plus of minus B. So minus B vector is like, this is the minus B vector. I just draw the opposite vector. This is the minus B. So I'm just adding A plus of minus B. So you are adding the two vectors head to tail. So this is the A vector. This is the A vector and minus B vector. A plus of minus B. So head of the A vector को किसे ज्वाइन करना है, माइनस बी वेक्टर के टेल से. तो दिस इज द माइनस बी वेक्टर टेल. सो दिस इज द माइनस बी वेक्टर. ओके, ऐसे ही एडिशन होता है हेड टू टेल, फर्स्ट का हेड दूसरे का टेल. तो ए प्लस ऑफ माइनस बी वेक्टर, सो माइनस बी वेक्टर का टेल. अब रिजल्टेंट तो फर्स्ट वेक्टर का टेल और लास्ट वेक्टर का हेड को ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो ये क्या होगा, ए प्लस ऑफ माइनस बी वेक्टर. सो एक्चुअली यू विल गेट ए वेक्टर माइनस बी वेक्टर. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ थर्ड पार्ट, फोर्थ बी वेक्टर माइनस ए वेक्टर. सो एक्चुअली माइनस ए वेक्टर चाहिए क्योंकि बी वेक्टर को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, बी प्लस ऑफ माइनस ए वेक्टर. So minus a vector is needed. So just opposite the direction. This is the minus a vector. So you have to add b vector and then minus a vector. So first you will draw the b vector. So this is the b vector actually. Okay. Now minus a vector. So minus a vector will be like this. Why? अपोजिट क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो माइनस वेक्टर अपोजिट था ना, तो माइनस वेक्टर ऐड कर दिए. हेड टू टेल, हमेशा मैं हर जगह क्या कर रहा हूँ, हेड टू टेल ऐड कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट वेक्टर का हेड, सेकंड वेक्टर का टेल. so you will get the resultant vector. First vector के tail से last vector के head को join करना है, so that is the, you are actually adding b plus of minus a vector, so you will get b minus a vector. Any doubt here? Now you can ask. Yes, Prisha.
So in the fourth one, we have to join it from head to tail. So can't we join the A vector below?
Yes,
Like,
you can. You can. आप बोल रही हैं कि अच्छा
so that is
पहले
also right.
पहले पहले you have to add minus a and then you draw the b vector in this way.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
this is also correct. Because this, why this is correct? Because you can also write a minus a vector plus b vector. This is also correct. First draw minus a, then add b vector. You can add in both ways. Okay. Direction will be same and the length of the vector will be same. Okay. Any doubt here? You can ask. So I think you know the हाँ प्रियान बोलो.
सर मैं भी इस जून के बैच के डाउट ग्रुप में नहीं हूँ.
So just message on the group. वो ऐड कर देंगे. I am not the admin actually. Okay, Aditya.
Sir, in the chat box, I have written that if that assignment you told no, in that if it is named after the scientist, then we have to write the name of the scientist when we are in a sentence in a small letter, and when we have
That is
symbol, it should,
actually a notation of units. That is a unit actually.
that only you were
How
telling
to
an
write
assignment.
units. That is a how to write units. I will give you the assignment actually. That is theoretical part and you will have to remember that things. So
Sir, that was only the assignment which you were telling, no?
yeah.
Okay, sir. That only I wanted to tell you.
Any other doubt? I'm just giving you one assignment actually. So that is a very small thing actually. So rules for writing units. Rules for writing units. There are only 3 rules actually. You will have to remember these things. Okay, there is no concept in it. Actually, you will have to search all these things. Rules of the writing units. Page number 5th. Page number 5th of the module. I think PDF has been shared with you. I think you got the PDF. Have you got the PDF? Okay, so just go through the go on to the page number 5 and rules for the writing units. That is not actually that is actually a theoretical things. So you will have to remember all these 3 rules. Okay, you have to just remember all these 3 rules. Okay, गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. So उसको याद रखना. ठीक है ना? that is nothing, उसका उतना use नहीं होगा, but remember all these things. Okay, because I will ask in next class. Yes, now I'm just going to discuss the assignment question. मैंने assignment दिया था ना एक. So can anyone send me the assignment question actually, please? Please send me the assignment question, please. Please send the assignment question. Please send the assignment question. Yes, after the class, sorry, after the assignment, you can just leave the lecture. Okay. Okay. So only one question. There were only one question, I think. कितने questions थे total? कितने questions थे assignment में? One or two? Two questions. Two questions कहाँ है? एक ही question तो है. Where is the second one? Where is the second one? I got only one. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, two questions. First is S and first is F. Okay. Got the questions. Question number 1. Please lower down your hand if you have doubt. Yes, Vedin.
So I logged out. What assignment do we have to do?
F is equal to ax squared by ut plus c. Hello. Can you hear me? अब कहाँ चला गया? Yes, Vedin.
Yeah, sir. So I logged out by mistake. So what assignment had you
Okay.
given us?
So you don't know the assignment actually.
No, I know this, the first one. I mean, then something
Second
about
one,
the unit.
yeah. Second one is also there. S, I think displacement or something formula has been given. So S is equal to x by bx plus t. So okay, I will discuss. So you will come across that.
Oh, that one. Okay, sir. Okay.
So wait. S is the okay. I got the question. So now I'm going to discuss now. So first question is f is equal to ax square. Oh wait, अरे यार new पेज आ गया लग रहा है. Ax square divided by ax square or ax square or ax square by ut plus c. Yes, Swam. What is the doubt?
So, which assignment are you talking about?
Yes, you're not audible actually.
Which assignment are you talking about?
In the previous lecture, I have given you 2 questions.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
So I'm discussing actually that two equation. So f is equal to ax square by ut plus c. That was the thing. And I told you here x is actually a distance. X is actually a distance. F is actually a force. F is actually a force. F is actually a force. And t is actually a time. And just I wanted to just find the dimension formula of a and c. So what is the dimension of a and c? Okay, so let's see. F has the dimension, F is the force mlt minus 2. Already discussed this, so not going to discuss. Suppose a has the dimension a. Okay, let's say a has the dimension a. X square, x is the distance, so what is the dimension of distance? Is length. So you can write it as L square divided by u is the actual what is u is the speed. U is a speed, so u into t, a speed into time is what? A speed into time is what? Distance. Do you know? A speed into time is equal to distance. Or you can also write sorry, what is the dimension of a speed? Already discussed this thing. Lt minus 1 into t. So you will get t minus 1 and t is multiplied, so you will get only L. So what is the dimension of ut? What is the dimension of ut? So ut, if you multiply ut, you will get L. So this is L plus c. I told you same quantity is being added or subtracted. So c must have the dimension. C must has the dimension of L. C must has the dimension of L. Why? क्योंकि c का डायमेंशन जो L का डायमेंशन होगा, जो ut का डायमेंशन होगा, वही c का भी डायमेंशन होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि सेम डायमेंशन क्वांटिटी ऐड होता है और सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो ut has the same dimension, ut plus c. So ut must has the dimension L and c has the dimension. C must has the dimension. C must has the dimension of L. C must have. So dimension of c is actually dimension of c is L. Okay. So suppose I am giving you L plus L. What dimension of c is L? L plus L you will get L. किसी को लग रहा होगा कि 12 मिल जाएगा? नहीं. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल बोला कि 10 kg plus 3 kg you will get what? 13 kg. So what is the dimension? This is the dimension of mass. So m, this is the dimension of m. So this is dimension of m. So m plus m you will get m. M minus m you will get m. कैसे? 10 kg minus 3 kg you will get 7 kg. So this has the dimension of m. This has also a dimension of m. 7 kg has also a dimension of m. So L plus L you will get L. So now coming to this equation. That's why I given you this assignment. So mlt minus 2 you will get a L square divided by the, you can write L. Why? L plus L will be L. So L यहाँ से cancel हो जाएगा, यहाँ भी L है, इधर से cancel हो जाएगा. So you will get the dimension of A will be mt minus 2. mt minus 2 और mlt के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो ml to the power 0 and t to the power minus 2. Okay, understood? So dimension of c will be L and dimension of A will be mlt minus 2. Dimensional formula of A will be this. Okay, first assignment is over. First question is over. I'm going to discuss the second question. Write down. Please note. Please note everyone. Noted, everyone? Okay. चलो फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। एफ जो है एक्स स्क्वायर बाई यूटी प्लस सी है, मतलब क्या, ये असाइनमेंट था आपको करने के लिए, ठीक है। चैलेंजिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, आप ही लोग बोलते हैं ना कि चैलेंजिंग प्रॉब्लम्स चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाई। एक्स स्क्वायर बाई यूटी प्लस सी, तो नीचे में क्या एडिशन है, तो एडिशन में मैंने बताया व्हाट, क्या बताया मैंने एडिशन में, कि एडिशन टू सेम क्वांटिटी के बीच में होगा एडिशन, मतलब कि यूटी का जो डायमेंशन होगा दैट मस्ट बी द डायमेंशन ऑफ सी, ओके, सेम यूनिट का होना चाहिए। तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या हुआ, यूटी का डायमेंशन क्या हुआ, व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ यूटी, सो यूटी इज एक्चुअली डिस्टेंस, व्हाई, यूटी का डायमेंशन क्या होता है, यू का डायमेंशन क्या है, एल टी माइनस वन इंटू टी, सो यू विल गेट एल, ओके, सो यूटी हैज द डायमेंशन ऑफ एल, सो सी मस्ट हैज द डायमेंशन ऑफ एल, क्योंकि सी का भी डायमेंशन एल होना चाहिए, तभी ऐड होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा, ओके। सो एल प्लस एल यू विल गेट एल, व्हाई, क्यों ऐसा होगा, अभी बताया कि 10 kg प्लस 3 kg यू विल गेट सपोज कि 13 kg, सो डायमेंशन ऑफ kg इज m प्लस m, यू विल गेट m, 10, यहाँ पे भी डायमेंशन 10 का m था, यहाँ भी 3 kg का m है, यहाँ भी 13 kg का m है, मतलब क्या कि m प्लस m यू विल गेट m, ओके। अगर माइनस भी करूँ 10 kg माइनस 3 kg इक्वल टू 7 kg, सो 10 kg का dimension is also m, 3 kg का dimension is also m, 7 kg का dimension is also m, so you can also write it as m minus m, dimension of 10 kg is m, 3 kg m, so m minus m is also m, okay, so this is the dimension. So L plus C, so C must has the dimension of L, so you will get L plus L, you will get L, so in the denominator it is L, so I just this is L, so this is actually L, लिख दिया मैंने। नाउ ऊपर में कैसे था, x का x जो है वो डिस्टेंस है, डिस्टेंस किस में मेजर करते हैं अपन, L, डिस्टेंस, डिस्टेंस है द डायमेंशन L, लेंथ है, सो L स्क्वायर, सो L स्क्वायर ऊपर है, कैंसिल आउट हो गया, इधर सिर्फ L बचा, L gets cancel out with this L, so you will get A has the dimension of mt minus 2, okay. What are you doing, Adhiraz, Shirshode, okay. Now coming to the next, now you can draw the next assignment. So second assignment is also easy, now you can solve it by yourself, s plus bx plus, sorry, bx plus t, bx plus, so you can write bx plus t, so here t has the dimension what, t has the dimension t, so bx must has, अब bx का भी डायमेंशन क्या होना चाहिए, t का होना चाहिए, नहीं, bx का भी डायमेंशन क्या होना चाहिए, t का, क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पे t है, t ऐड हो रहा है, मतलब कि bx प्लस t का जो डायमेंशन होगा वही bx का डायमेंशन होगा, तो bx मस्ट हैव द डायमेंशन t, और क्वेश्चन में मैंने बता दिया है कि x क्या है, लेंथ है, सो b का डायमेंशन इनटू लेंथ का डायमेंशन, यू विल गेट t का डायमेंशन, so b must has the dimension of t by L, so you can write L minus 1 t, b has the dimension of L minus 1 t, okay. Now so नीचे में डायमेंशन क्या हुआ, so bx plus t will have the dimension of t, ठीक है, क्योंकि bx का डायमेंशन भी t होगा, ये भी t, तो t का डायमेंशन प्लस t का डायमेंशन ऐड करेंगे t ही होगा, जैसे 2 सेकंड प्लस 5 सेकंड you will add 7 सेकंड, so 2 second plus, so this has the dimension t, this has the dimension t, so t plus t you will get 7 second is also has the dimension t, so t plus t you will get t, so s will be equal to a dimension of a into dimension of x divided by dimension of t, और s का dimension क्या है, लेंथ का है, so this will be length, okay. Now x का dimension क्या होगा, x is the length actually, so length so x are the dimension L, so यहाँ से L cancel हो जाएगा, so you will get the dimension of A will be T. So dimension of A is actually T and dimension of B is actually L minus T into T. अगर MLT के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो A has the dimension of m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1. ओके, इसका लिखना है तो क्या लिखेंगे, m to the power 0, L to the power minus 1, T to the power 1. ओके, yes.
Sir, S is speed and speed has dimension of distance upon time. So L upon T, no?
हाँ तो ठीक है,
Yes.
तो ये एट बी जो है, बी का डायमेंशन जो है वो उल्टा है, स्पीड का उल्टा है.
Over here, L is equals to S you have written, no? So there should be L upon T, I think.
Where b into L is equal to T.
No, sir. Below in the center, where you have crossed the L and S is circled and circled. Over
So these
there.
are the b and x is there na, so b and x is multiplied will give the dimension of time na.
Yes,
b
sir.
b अकेले थोड़ी है वहां पे, b मल्टीप्लाई है किसके साथ, x के साथ ना, तो क्या देगा, टाइम देगा.
Okay.
क्योंकि b और x मिलकर के टाइम ही देगा ना, क्योंकि टाइम और टाइम ही ऐड हो सकता है.
Yes, sir. But over here in the question itself, the question is S is equals to A into X upon BX plus T. So it should be, therefore S is equals to speed. So speed is
S is
distance
not a
upon
speed, S is, I told you S is equal to length. I have given in the question S is actually a length.
Okay.
I have already given in the question S is actually a length.
Okay, sir.
So that's why I have written S is equal to L.
Okay. Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt now to anyone? Who is iPad? Yes, iPad.
Yeah, sir, it's me, Vedant, sir. My computer wasn't, so I just logged in from my iPad. I'll just change my name. Yeah, so what was the second question? What was given?
What was given? X is given. X is actually a length, and S is actually a length, and T is actually a time.
Okay, so it was S is equal to AX upon BX plus T, and what was given, sir?
Bx plus T, and X is here. X is length, and X is also length, and S is also length, and T is time.
X and S are length, T are time. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, Amritesh.
Sir, in the second question, I
Yeah.
actually wrote S equal to AX upon BX plus T square.
कोई बात नहीं, तो तुम्हारा आंसर थोड़ा डिफरेंट आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना, कंसेप्ट समझ गए ना.
हाँ सर.
बस वही मतलब है, कंसेप्ट जानने का है. यस प्रियान.
सर BX plus T के नीचे आपने क्या लिखा है?
टाइम टी.
नहीं, BX plus T 25 plus 55 is equal to 80 होता है, 75 नहीं.
2s, that is a 2 second plus 5 second will give you 7
और
second.
सर आपको कैसे मालूम कि X और S लेंथ है और T टाइम है? आपको कैसे मालूम?
मैंने क्वेश्चन में वहां पे लिखा था.
ओ सर,
वो मैंने क्वेश्चन में दिया था, अगर नहीं दिया रहता तो नहीं पता होता. Now any doubts to anyone, please ask. Any doubt? Yes, Diane.
Sir, the chapter is completed. So
Yeah.
now,
Now chapter
so
is complete.
so there will be any test.
No, I will send you some questions. So you will have to just solve them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. First, solve all the questions in the module. Everyone. That is homework.
Okay.
Solve, and I will discuss all these questions in the next lecture.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? So everyone has to complete all these questions. Yes, Kabir.
So, sir, you will answer the module questions in the next class.
Yes, tell me what is it?
And I said that you will discuss the module questions in the next class, no?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Tanvi.
So, sir, there will not be any separate doubt lecture. We will ask our doubts in the lecture itself.
Okay, you can just ask your doubt in the lecture. I don't mind. Okay.
Yes, okay.
That's why I keep asking, is there any doubt, or that's why I just keep asking all these doubts in the lecture. Okay. Any further doubt? Any further doubt?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay, so we will start our next chapter in the next lecture.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, that questions which you were going to give us, you will give on the base group foundation or the doubt group?
No, you have to just solve them. I will discuss. Okay.
Okay, module only. Okay.
Yeah, module first. Solve the module, and I will send the some questions. So go through that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Harleen. Yes, Harleen.
Man,
Harleen. Harleen Singh. Harleen, any doubt? Okay. Any doubt? Now asking any doubt? No, I can't hear you, Harleen. Now you can ask your doubt through message. Yes, now you can leave. Okay, Adiraj. Adiraj, S is equal to AX by BX plus T is given, okay? So, BX must have the dimension of time. BX must have the dimension of time. Why? क्योंकि दोनों का time dimension होगा तभी add हो सकता है, नहीं तो नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? So, अब X जो है यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है length है, तो B into length will be time. So, what will be the dimension of B? B will be T by L. So, you can write it as L minus 1 and T. Understood? Now, if you add bx plus t, you will get time also. So these are the dimension t. Okay. So s will be now, that will be ax by time, because suppose कि 2 सेकंड प्लस 5 सेकंड को ऐड करोगे क्या मिलेगा 7 सेकंड. So of course bx plus t को ऐड करोगे तो कुछ नंबर मिलेगा, that will be actually second. Of course वो भी टाइम ही होगा, तो इसीलिए मैंने टाइम ही लिखा है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. x जो है वो लेंथ है और s भी लेंथ है. सो s जो होगा वो भी लेंथ है, तो अपन इसको लेंथ लिख सकते हैं, इक्वल टू a लिख सकते हैं इनटू लेंथ अपॉन फिर टाइम लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि x भी लेंथ है और ये टाइम है. l जो है कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो a बाई t जो होगा वो 1 हो गया. सो a विल बी इक्वल टू l. सो a का जो डायमेंशन होगा वो क्या होगा, सॉरी a का जो डायमेंशन होगा वो क्या होगा, t होगा. ठीक है ना. a बाई t इज इक्वल टू 1. सो that will be A, will have the dimension of time. Okay. Yes, Diane.
Sir, in the last step, I think that A is equals to t raised to minus 1 because
No. Cross multiply होगा. Cross
okay,
multiply.
okay, sir. Yeah, A will come to that side. Yeah. Sorry.
Tanvi.
Sir, can you please give a recap of the dimensions again?
Again.
So,
Sir, please go through the recordings. Okay.
okay,
If they're in,
sir.
if they're in doubt, then ask.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now. That's why I just shared the recordings. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि आपको फर्स्ट बार में नहीं समझ में आए. That's why उसके बाद मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करता हूँ. हो सकता है ऐसा, आपके साथ नहीं, हर एक के साथ होता है ऐसा. Harleen, क्या डाउट है? I was asking that there are two groups. Maybe Mike is not. Sorry. Okay. Yes, two group है. एक ग्रुप जो आपका ऑफिशियल है और एक ग्रुप जो होगा that will be एक ग्रुप जो है वो आपका डाउट का है. तो जस्ट add yourself in the doubt group. Okay. ऐड करो. जस्ट राइट अ मैसेज ऑन द ग्रुप. जो भी जिस ग्रुप में हो जस्ट राइट अ मैसेज कि मुझे डाउट ग्रुप में ऐड करना है. सो दे विल ऐड यू. ओके. आई एम नॉट द एक्चुअली admin, so I can't add you. Okay.